kicks in when you learn from others' mistakes and you don't make the mistake at all. So like what I try to do from a time standpoint is I read a great deal. I'm pouring so much information into me to try to get a better understanding of what I don't know. So I'm always trying to figure out how can I learn from Fred's mistakes and Tavon's mistakes so I don't duplicate those mistakes and I can cheat time. The other thing that I would just learn is you don't know what you don't know. So I'm always walking towards, most people are intimidated and scared to walk towards the things that they don't know. How you all just walked in this building, you're walking into something that you're going to be able to take away information, you're talking to different subject matter experts, and when you walk out of here, you're going to know more than a lot of adults. One of the other pieces of advice is walk towards the things that you don't know.